joining this community. But unfortunately, I don't know why I never become join the meetup particularly. Today, what a great pleasure for me to be here in order to meet you everyone. It's nice to meet you. My name is Nur Hasana. You may call me Sana or Inun. Yeah, Inun my nickname in my family. I'm a teacher and I love making friends and sharing. May I become the last one to express my opinion? Iya, jadi bisa teman-teman yang lain aja dulu. Soalnya tarik nafas dulu dari bandara soalnya kak.
Oh.